Problem is, can you guys see this? I don't know what the angle you can see it at, but it's all water, and it drips on the back. Every day, I lift up this cover. And all the condensation from the night before, or yesterday's coffee water, oh, it's all down here at the bottom. Kind of a big puddle of it in the corner. Well, and the same thing over here. Well, what happens is, the cover is behind here. So when I lift this up tomorrow morning, everything that's heavy up here will run down and off to the back. You can see it. And the counter's been getting wet every single morning. So now what I need to do is I need to get rid of this $25 pot and get something else. Because I'm not going to put up with that shit. I'm not going to put up with that shit. That's crazy. Did I buy this? It's a Wally World special, I guess. No. It's Amazon special. I know. Because when it came in, I did not expect it that day. Well, I got a package in from Amazon, and I'm saying to myself, I didn't order anything. It's supposed to be in tomorrow. Okay, I'm getting it today. Well, I'm in my easy chair. The package comes in. It is unwrapped box. It has a picture of it right on the front of the fucking thing. And I told my wife, I says, that's probably what I'm going to get you for Christmas. I'm going to get me a new coffee pot. Because I don't like the other one. Well, damn, I think I like the other one better. Maybe I should sell it in the garage. Save it, clean it up. Really, that's horrible that does that. No, oh well. What do I got for the drink? Nothing. Well, I'm going to fill those two. Oh, too full. Too full. You know what too full is? Too full. Yeah, this bottle here that I just picked up from behind here, it's probably been sitting there for 2 weeks. Think it'll be alright? Sure, Gary. Yeah, we know. We know what you're like, Gary. We have an idea that you're a crooked mofo. I'm not. I'm trying to stand up as straight as possible. Really, I am. I can't though. I don't know if I have a video of me walking in Walmart yesterday. Horrible. It's like I need a cane to walk for crying out loud. Wow. Yet I can jump on a bike and go nuts. Well, not nuts, but, you know. What was that? Yeah, I don't know if I got a video or not because I was in the garage earlier, but it was dark. And I know the videos don't come out when it's that dark. I do need to get out the blower. Blow these from that side of the house, or that front of the house, that corner. Blow them all over this way and send them out in the backyard or pile them up. But yeah, just a real quick go through over here. Gary, got some fucking work to do. Yeah, I got a lot of yard work to do this year, and I don't know if I'm going to paint. I haven't talked to Sharon about it or shown her what I saw yesterday, but not that I saw anything specific. I will paint if we don't want to do anything else, but I'm going to have to start scraping real quick. Not real quick, but take the shades off. When the good weather's back here again, another day or two, take the shutters down. Take this stuff down. And take the sign down, the light, and stuff like that. Well, maybe not the light. Yep. Take the shutters down over here. Take the hose rack off of there. I should trim this thing before I do anything. Yeah, because this isn't even a... Alright, I don't know what, yeah, I got another mums over here. Okay. Just thinking, Gary. A little bit of work needs to be done in this place. I don't want to spend a lot of money, but god damn it, if we have to, we have to. I'm not giving myself more than 5 years. Yeah. I don't know why, I just think that. Yesterday, Sharon won this bed, a cat bed, in a drawing. And she figures, oh, Jesus, that's going to be perfect. She even threw catnip on it. Well, I don't know if the cats want to sleep on catnip. And this is where Addie's been sleeping for the past month, 2 months, when she's not sleeping with me. Huh, honey? Huh, honey? Huh? Yeah, I see you too. Yes, I love you. Yes, I do. And so she put the bed down to see if Addie would sleep in it. Well, hell no. She's got her own fucking bed. Why would she want to switch to something else? She's not a dummy. But yet, if I pulled that up, would she be okay with getting in that one? Huh? Ooh, look at this. Addie, look at that. Oh, Addie. Oh. There you go, pumpkin. How's that? Huh? Will you put that side down so you can... Yeah, that's the lower side right there in the front, so... Yeah, oh, look at that. Oh, it's nice and warm, too. Did you see that? Did you see that, what Mommy did? She kept your favorite bed out there and tried it with a new one. But little did she know that I'll sleep in my old bed. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Daddy's not bullshitting you. No, go sit right there. Hey. Well, alright, we'll sit there. I don't care. Where's my carrot? Where the fuck is my carrot? There's my carrot, Addie. And don't you forget it. Gary, Nice freaking light, huh? Well, that's perfect. Really? I could play it anyway. Yeah, I think it works pretty good in a couple places. I've really used it. Thank you. Now what am I going to do in the summertime? The lights will be on. Ooh, is that metal? Jesus, it's so big. It's right there. That's where the metal is. Alright, well, we'll get metal.